instead of saying present class, I want you all to say your favorite country that you want to visit someday. Okay? Okay, first is Tari Lee. Okay. Giselle May. Great teacher. Seidel.
Switzerland teacher.
George. Crystal May. Oh, Thailand. Sawadika. Marielle. Irene. Shella. Joyce Hart.
Late.
Rochi.
Late.
Okay, late. Gia.
Late.
John Luis. Gian. Paris. Wakanedra. Switzerland. Janice.
Nana si Joyce teacher.
Okay, Joyce Hart. Present already. So, Jeneline. Switzerland. Mary Rose. Crystal Jade. Debbie. Carel. London. Okay. Tesby. Korea. 안녕하세요. Althea. Crystal May. And Shivy. Mary Joy.
Late.
Judeline.
Late.
Mariela Lane. Linmar.
Late.
Hazel Rose.
Late.
Jonah Grace. Okay. Jing in China. Sherilyn. Okay, Switzerland. Jasmine. Japan. Okay, Japan. Ohio. Kimberly. Keisha May. Freddie May. Okay, Zairel. Late. And Jasper. Okay, so I see that most of your classmates are late. So those who are, Marielle is already late. Here. Marielle, okay. So those who are present today will receive a additional point.
Yay!
Now class, so do you have rules that at home? Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, so you have rules at home. So here inside the classroom, so we have also rules that we need to follow as to have a harmonious classroom. So we named it drill. So first is demonstrate respect for everyone. So we need to be kind to your fellow teachers and also your classmates and everyone around you. And also you need to use nice words and treat others how you want to be treated. So R for raise your hand before speaking. So if you want to answer, you need to raise your hand and wait for your turn. A for act responsibly at all times. So we have rules that we need to follow. So we need to follow the rules and of course take care of your things and think before you act. And last is W, so work hard and do your best. So always try your best here inside the classroom and okay, you need to participate and if things are difficult, so you need to ask the teacher.
Yes, Mariel. Rectangle, yes. You are correct. But what color is this? Green. Very good. Can we give a mosquito clock of Mariel? Do you know how to do it, class? No. Like this. 1, 2, 3, books. 1, 2, 3, books. 1, 2, 3, many mosquito. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, books. 1, 2, 3, books. 1, 2, 3, many mosquitoes. Okay, we have a lot of here. So next. Okay. Yes, Jenny. And what color is this?
Yellow.
Okay, very good. Can we give 3 claps to Jenny? 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Yes, Amanda.
So, teacher, rectangle and color white.
Okay, very good. Can we give 5 claps to Amanda? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you all the class did a great job. So I have here a question. So what did you notice about the shapes, colors, and lines that you see in the picture? What did you notice? Again?
Teacher,
Yes, I did.
some shapes teacher kay na ay colors.
Okay, very good. Can we give Coca clap to Saiden? 1, Coca. 1, 2, Coca, Coca. 1, 2, 3, Coca, Coca, Coca. Okay, next. Name at least 2 shapes and lines that you see in the picture.
Square, circle, diagonal, vertical.
Okay, very good. Can we give a good job clap to Prilin? Do you know how to do it, class?
No.
Okay, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, good job. 1, 2, 3, good job. 1, 2, 3, good job, good job, good job. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, good job. 1, 2, 3, good job. 1, 2, 3, good job, good job, good job. Okay, another one. Why do you think it is important to know the kind of shapes, colors, and lines? Why do you think it is important? Yes, for
Because, for
stars.
example, when you build a house, you need to have the lines, the structure, to really have a beautiful house.
Great point. Okay, can we give 10 claps to Kristen? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hep, hep. Hooray! Hooray!
Hep,
I see that you are all enjoyed the activity earlier. So, what will be our topic for today, class? Teacher. Okay, Amanda.
Shapes and colors.
Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about the basic elements of art, music, and drawing. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the basic elements of art, the line, shape, space, and color. And you will be express appreciation for creative process by sharing feelings and reflection. And you will be able to draw a nature scene showcasing different lines and shapes. So class, are you familiar with the word drawing?
yes.
So what is drawing, class, for you?
Teacher, the feeling.
Okay, Maniha?
Drawing?
Yes.
You use your pencil. Then you draw something. Then you use your colors. That's the feeling, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, teacher.
Okay, clap for Crystal. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, Coca. 1, 2, Coca, Coca. 1, 2, 3, Coca, Coca, Coca.
A mark made on a surface can be two-dimensional, three-dimensional, descriptive, implied, or abstract.
Okay, very good. A line is the midpoint of an object. So there are different kinds of lines. The curved line, the diagonal, the vertical, the horizontal, the vertical, and the zigzag. So what again the different kinds of line?
Curved line, diagonal, horizontal, vertical, and zigzag line.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, let's proceed to the shape. So, can you read, class, the shape? A flat area or enclosed space. It is two-dimensional, limited to height and width. So, shape is the outline or form of an object. So, for example, a triangle and a rectangle. So, those are the example of shape. So, next is space. Can you read everyone? Dilution of length. Define positive and negative areas on a flat surface. So, space is the area around with or within the object. So, for example, the space between the chairs. So, that's the example of space. So, next is color. Last is color. Can you read everyone? Light reflection on the surface, made up of three properties: hue, value, and intensity. So, color is how we see light reflected on an object. So, for example, red apple, green leaves. So, those are the example of color. So, now class, I have a question. What are the four basic elements of art? Teacher! Okay, one lang. One, example. Line. Very good. Next, teacher. Very good. Amanda. Space ruler. Okay, very good. So give your hand, give yourself 5 claps, everyone. So next question. Next, give at least one example of each basic element of art. At least one each.
Teacher,
Teacher. Jasmine, the line feature like vertical line. Okay, very good. Teacher, title.
sa shape teacher kay circle.
Teacher. Okay, very good. So, next, sa color teacher kay graph. Okay, very good. So, give yourself a 3 claps, everyone. Alright, class. So, you all did great job listening and participating in our class discussions earlier. So, now, I will divide the class into 3 groups. So, this will be the group 1. Then, this will be Joyce from Sherlyn to Joyce, group 2. And then, Marian to Gia is group 3. Okay, so that each group has different tasks to do. So, for group 1, so you will draw a flower. For group 2, you will draw a house. And for group 3, you will, for group 2, you will draw a trees. And for group 3, you will draw a house. So, in order to check your artwork in a fair manner, so we have here the rubric. So, creativity, 30%, using of elements of art that teacher, Shane, and Lee discussed earlier, 30%, blending of colors, 20%, and overall presentation, 20%. So, you will, after you draw your artwork, so you will present here in front. So, you will be given 10 minutes to complete your task, and after that, you will share it to the class. So is that clear, class?
Yes.
Before that, just wait for my cue. So when I say art, you will stand. When I say time, you will go to your group and form a circle silently. And when I say art time, you will settle down. So what will you do if I say art?
Stand up.
Then what about time?
Take your group and form a circle.
Then how about if I say art time? Okay, very good. So I guess it's all clear. So art time. So art time. Okay, by the way, I need one representative each group to get your materials here and run. Okay? So is all set, class? Yes. Okay, so your 10 minutes starts now.
Ay, anak, tugtog-tugtog ba? Ay, katag. Katag-katag. Ay, dili ka to asa, Jill. Ay, go, go. Len. Ikaw ang... Ay, Gala-ala tayo. Ay, sisabot pa lang na. Ay, man eh. Okay, nice na. Na-blend na.
Okay, you will have 7 minutes left. Okay, take your time. So take your time. Yes. Ready for survey.
This is a
Pahasa
curved
din
line.
palangga eh.
And this is a paint.
Very good.
And this is a paint brush. So if you will,
Sa nga shape inyong gigamit? Curve.
curved line.
Mo siya different colors sa balloon tal.
Yes.
Wow, very nice work.
Yes. Fantasy is only exists in mind, you know.
Wow, you have brilliant idea.
Very good. Ikaw. Okay, 5 minutes left. Oh, you're good in blending colors, huh? No, it's the sign of Ingna na balik. Nag-mix ni nato. Una siya nahimo secondary color. Di ba?
Black over red.
Just to remind you, 4 minutes left. Yes, please.
We're done, teacher. We're not yet done.
Take your time. You're not dead. Teacher,
This is a teacher.
it's fine.
The color is green. And then, we're done.
Okay, are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay na.
2 minutes left. Are you done? This is a flower, and the color is green and brown also.
Okay, very good, Rukno. So let's give Rukno a mosquito clap. So do you know how to do mosquito clap? No. Okay, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. Okay, it's your turn.
Teacher.
Okay, you have 3 now. It's your time to shine. Wait for the teacher.
No, dili na
They
ako.
are my.
So, ang mga drawing kay balay di siya balay. We draw a house, teacher. This is the negative space, teacher. We chose to draw house because house can use many shape, teacher. And mausay then we use kuan, teacher. Call as a we use triangle sa shape, teacher. Triangle, square, rectangle, teacher. Natin siya mga lang teacher. Next
Different colors, teacher. Alright, so in group 3, we can try the different elements of light that are discussed earlier. So I am so proud of each group class.
Okay, class teacher.
I mean, ayan.
Class,
So let's
teacher, sa akin.
give group 3A a very good clap. So do you know how to do a very good clap? No. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very, very good. So now it's your turn. So your hard works are very amazing, class. So your talents are. You can see your talents. Yes, your talents. 1, 2, and 3 are fantastic, incredible. And then, so based on the previous activity, so why did your group choose to draw that kind of painting? Is that? Okay, so let me finish to draw this kind of flower. And then, what kind of elements of art that are present in your art?
So the elements that we use here is the color, line, the shape, the space. Okay. Here we mix the colors like a presentation of our emotions. Mixed emotions since we don't know what color is this anymore. And we add bees. This bees is very beautiful and butterfly color. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so what's your reason for drawing that kind of trees and using that kind of color? What was your reason for drawing that kind of tree? Okay, then what elements of art are present in our drawing? Line, shape, color, space. Okay, very good. Yes, and what is your question as a teacher? So, what was your reason for doing that?
I want teacher kay mamay na sign na mo.
And then that is the subject that you will be drawing. Then, what was your reason for choosing that kind of color?
Ang reason na create na mo nga ang house is because daghan siya o pagbuhat na tanang shade. And then, pwede na siya buhaton. And then, ang mga elements use is kanang color shape, space, and line.
Okay, very good. Stella. Then, to wrap it up, so how does drawing help you understand and appreciate the nature? Alright, so, Luis, how does drawing help you understand and appreciate the beauty of nature?
Drawing helps me understand and appreciate the beauty of nature because through drawing nature I can express or or of how I am amazed of the beauty of the nature through drawing.
Okay, very good, Louis. So, any other answer? This side. Okay, Krista. How does drawing help you understand and appreciate the beauty of nature? So, every time you see the nature, look at your wow, Lord. Wow, how's that?
When I see the nature, teacher, I feel relaxed. And I want to try new things. I want to draw the nature.
Right?
I like the brush that we buy. Where did you buy this, teacher?
And this is from the Hoi Koi.
Okay, I will buy that later.
So, here, two, and two. How does drawing help you understand and appreciate the beauty of nature?
Kan teacher, through drawing teacher, like, kanang murag once and lang ka kung unsang imong mga importance.
Importance of what?
Nature.
So let's give ourselves for doing a great job, class. What a nice class. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a nice! Hep hep hooray! Hep hep!
So now, class, I am going to test you if you really do understand the lessons earlier. So, with the same group everyone, so I'm going here to flash a questions and you need to answer it. So using the cardboard that we are going to provide with a chalk, so you need to write your answers in the cardboard and you need to answer it for 10 seconds only, and after that class, so you need to raise your cardboard and the group who will get the correct answer will receive a 1 point. Are my directions clear, class? Yes! Okay, so now let's start. If you're ready? Yes! Start! So question number 1. So listen carefully, class. So it is the way in which you are, the feels, and see, the feels, and touch. What am I? Okay. Cardboards. Raise your cardboards, class. Okay, mixture, and drawing. So group 1 and group 2 got the correct answer. Next question. Okay. Cardboards up. Harmony, and harmony. Okay, so the answer is harmony. All the groups got the correct answer. Next. Okay. Cardboards up. Okay, color. So all the groups got the correct answer. Next question.
Earth in Hawaii.
Okay, cardboards up. Okay, group 1 space. Okay, the answer is space. So all the groups got the correct answer. Okay, very good. Next question. Okay, class. Card Okay, elements of art, drawing and drawing. The answer is drawing. So group 1 and group 2 got the correct answer. Okay, next question, class. So Tesco will be true or false. So write true if the statement is true and false if it is not. So are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start.
Excuse teacher. Is that visual art? Yes, false. Yes, right. Yes.
Pwede na noon.
Okay. Cardboards up. True, true, true. And all the girls got the correct answer. Next question. Okay. Cardboards up. True, false, false. So answer is false. So group 2 and group 3 also got the correct answer. Next question.
Hold na, hold.
Okay, cardboards up.
Draw.
Okay, true, true, true. So all the groups got the correct answer. So next.
Hold.
Okay, cardboards up. Okay, true, true, true. So all the groups got the correct answer. Okay, last but not the least, please. Question number 10. Okay, cardboards up. True, true, true. So got the wrong answers. Okay. False. The answer is false.
Why, teacher?
Why is it false? Because shape not a tool is creating just on a surface. So shape is not a tool. Right? Tool is Okay, so group 1 got 8 points, group 2 got 9 points, and group 3 got 7 points. Okay, give yourselves a round of applause, class. So before you go back to your proper seat, so please wait for my cue. If I say 1, you need to stand up. And if I say 2, arrange your chairs properly. And if I say 3, so you need to settle down, okay? 1, 2. Okay, and 3. Right, eyes on me. Eyes on you.
Okay, so for your assignment, can you read?
Angel.